In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multilingual WooCommerce store and translate products using a free and easy plugin. By the end of our time together, you'll have a fully equipped online store that can cater to customers speaking different languages. Let's get started. First things first, we need to navigate to WordPress.com. This is where everything begins, because WordPress gives you the tools you need to build and manage your site effectively. If you're familiar with WordPress, great. If not, don't worry. It's user-friendly, and I'll guide you through every step. Once you're on the WordPress website, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it and follow their setup instructions, which are fairly straightforward. After logging in, head straight to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. It's your control center for managing your website. Now that we're in the dashboard, let's turn our attention to plugins. Click on the Plugins option available on the left-hand menu. Plugins are essentially add-ons that help you expand the functionality of your WordPress site. And for a multilingual store, they're absolutely essential. After clicking on Plugins, you'll want to add a new one. So, find and click the Add Plugin button. Adding plugins is like installing a new app on your phone, and it's an easy way to introduce new features to your website. In the search bar, type Translate Press. This is the plugin we'll be using today. Translate Press is a fantastic tool for website translations. It's user-friendly, and the best part, it's free. It allows you to translate your entire site from the front end, providing an intuitive way to switch between languages instantaneously. Once you find Translate Press, multilingual in the search results, go ahead and click through to learn more about it. Check out the ratings and make sure it's the right fit for your needs. Then, to finish the installation, click Install and then Activate. Activating the plugin primes it for use and ensures that it functions smoothly with your WordPress setup. From there, follow the on-screen instructions to start configuring your Translate Press settings, starting with selecting the languages you want for your store. It's a simple process, but feel free to explore the settings further to tailor everything to your preferences. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up a multilingual WooCommerce store using Translate Press. Remember, a multilingual approach broadens your market reach and ensures you cater to diverse customer bases, enriching their shopping experience and potentially increasing your sales. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!